In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Monday.com in just a few easy steps. If you've been looking to streamline your teamwork by having your Slack updates and Monday.com tasks aligned, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this simple integration process. To start, you'll want to open up the board within Monday.com that you'd like to integrate with Slack. Once you're in the right board, make your way to the top right corner of your screen. There you will see a button labeled Integrate. Give that a click, and it will guide you straight into the Automations panel. Now, in the Automations panel, you're going to be doing a quick search for Slack. This allows you to view all available templates specifically designed for the Slack integration you're about to set up. These templates are fantastic because they provide predefined ways Slack can interact with your Monday tasks straight out of the box. Go ahead and select the template that suits your team's needs best. Next up, you'll need to connect your Slack account to Monday.com. To do this, simply click on the Connect button. This will initiate the process to link your Slack account. Follow the prompts and continue to log into your Slack account as necessary. This step might entail entering your Slack credentials, and then you're all set up securely. Once your Slack account is successfully connected, you'll have established the link between Slack and your Monday board. Now your team can benefit from automatic updates and interactions between the two platforms. You might want to explore various types of automations that can be set up in this integration. Whether it's notifying a team member in Slack when a task status changes in Monday.com or any other routine updates that can be automated, this integration can significantly enhance productivity by reducing the time spent on manual updates. And that's all there is to it. You've just successfully integrated Slack with your Monday.com board. I hope this quick tutorial helps you and your team maintain a seamless flow of communication and task management. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore the integration capabilities further to make the most out of your productivity tools.